Hello. 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 Hello, Chen. Can you hear me? Hello.
Okay. Can you hear my voice now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Okay. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Mm-hmm.
Long time no see. How was
No,
your business trip?
nice to meet you again.
You told me last time that you went to the business trip, right? To the expo.
Yes, yes. We just finished the exhibition last week. Yeah.
See. So today we are going to. Are you going to present the 3D?
Yeah. Today I'm going to present the design proposal and also some questions you are concerned about.
Okay.
Just a quick heads up. I will record the meeting um, in order to make sure nothing was missed. So I'm not sure if you are mind if it's okay for us to record the meeting.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, thank you. So, so I will share
Yes.
I will share the my screen and show you our design proposal first. Hello, Chin, can you see my screen?
Yes. I can see you.
Yeah, last week I provided you with the design proposal we have created based on the set information you shared and also you preferred theme. And we created a design with the fantasy forest theme proposal for you. And in my presentation, I have shared several perspectives, several views of our design. Uh, yeah, in our design, we have incorporated as many as the play activities into the design to make sure there is a diverse play items, play activities inside of this playground. And also, we have created some attractive, uh, attractive direction matched the forest, fantasy forest theme. And in the same time, we have just made some direction for the I'm not sure if you see for the ceiling. For the ceiling, we have just created some concept for the lighting, for the ceiling finish. Also match the forest fantasy forest um, um, theme. Let me begin uh, um, from the detailed presentation for our design proposal. This is our this is our design area, and for it, inside our design area, we have created the playground based on the fantasy forest theming. And this is the main entrance of the playground. And here, the round circle, the round circle, the concept is the reception area. In this reception area, you can show in tickets on sell a souvenir here. And this part is the shoes cabinet, And inside the playground here, for this area, we just make different types of trampoline. Here are some small round trampoline, free trampoline here. And this side, we have just incorporated some interactive trampoline game. I will show you some actual images of the products we just incorporate into the design. For the trampoline area, in trampoline area, you see here we have incorporated the this kind of interactive trampoline game. We call it Bounce Agent, and another interactive trampoline game we call interactive touching do activities. Such kind of play games which can play more play activity for your entire project. And also we have incorporated some small round trampoline here. This is all for the trampoline area. And here in this area, in front of the main entrance, we have incorporated our new product, Super Ronio, a kind of competition interactive game. This is our new products and very attractive equipment which we have incorporated in many of our major projects, and we have currently sold about 3,000 sets of Super Ronio and received positive feedback from our customers. I show you some pictures or images of Super Ronio. You see, that's in front of the main entrance would be a good place to display the best attractions for the entire project. So we just incorporated the Super Ronio in these places, and in here in this region we have created some software playmates. We have connected the different zones by the 19 tube from here. From this part we can get into this software playmates by the 19 tube here, and also we have just connected the interior software playmates by the 19 tube, and also here in these places we incorporate ball pool area, some ocean balls, and some AirCat toys the small kids can play in the ball pool. And here we incorporate some individual standalone interactive games. This one is a spinning tree, merry-go-round, and some numerous flooring here. And in these places, we just incorporate a sand pit for small kids to play inside. And this area, we just incorporate some handcraft tables for the kids to do some handcraft making. And in this area, we incorporate an inflatable castle with some slide, some obstacles here. This all the equipment we just chosen are the we will incorporate into this design. It's totally take your specific requirement, your preference, the project into consideration. And also we have choose the most popular and the most attractive play elements inside into this project. And I will show more views about the design proposal. You see, this netting tube, we just connected the different zones by the netting tube. And also here, we use the lighting, different color lighting, which will be create more attractive appearance. Some lighting, different lightings here, and in this first person view, you can see the fence. There's a fence for the interior for the in front of the playground, and here we create a tree concept in front of the concept reception area. In this area, you can do some ticket and services work. And another first person view for the project, you see the different slides. We have spiral tube slide, we have LED slide, we have horn slide. I show you some images about the slide we have incorporated in your design. It's a spiral tube slide. We have incorporated this kind of slide into the design of your project. Also, this spiral tube slide. Such kind of lighting tube will connect to the different rooms. This kind of slide, LED slide, also incorporated into your design. This spinning tree also in your design. This area spinning tree. Oh, this is a horn slide. This is a real products of the horn slide. I show you a video of the horn slide. The slide will show a very colorful, attractive lighting. This slide is very popular and very attractive. There's a horn slide and another slide we have incorporated your design. LED slide, you see very colorful and attractive lighting inside of the slide. These all the slides we have incorporated into the design proposal of your project. And this lighting tube that connect to the different zones. Here in the corner, we have incorporated some role play horses. As per your requirement, you want us to incorporate some role play horses inside into the design. So we just take reference of your comments and incorporate the different function of the role play horses here. We have farm, we have I show you another. We have farm, we have restaurant, we have supermarket here. I show you some reference images of the role play horses. This role play horses we have incorporated in another project, completed projects. You see different types of role play horses. For this one, princess horse. For this one, supermarket, kitchen, car repairing store. Different types of role play horses. In your project, we have also incorporated in different types of role play horses here. And here another person view of the project. Here is the shoes cabinet, shoes track area. This is a person view of the trampoline area. In trampoline area, we have small round trampoline for free jump, and here we have incorporated different types of interactive trampoline game. And here another first-person view of the playground. Here we incorporate merry-go-round, spinning tree. For spinning tree, I just show you the real product image. The real products will be totally same as this one, but with different color and different images. Here another first-person view of the design proposal. Here horn slide, LED slide, ball area, handcraft making area. This inside of this area would be the inflatable castle. That's the height we have designed based on your specific site information, and this dimension we have created based on the final design. And here we have just provide you the revenue estimates for your reference. And also in this page, we have just recommended some strategies to enhance the revenue and the promotion. In this part, we have just provide some real product images of the products which we incorporate into your design. In your design proposal, we have LED slide, we have a spiral tube slide, we have horn slide, we have ball area, we have a role play house, we have a sub slide, and we also have a superonial, interactive trampoline game, spinning tree, supermarket role play houses. And inside of the maze, soft play maze, we have different kind of attractive obstacles inside. Such kind of obstacles. This all inside. This all the real product image inside of the soft play maze. And in this part, we have just introduced our company and the process, certificate, the safety standard, and some completed projects. We just shared some of the typical projects, and this all for our design proposal. I'm not sure if you have already have a carefully checking about our initial design proposal. If you have any comments, you just let me know, and we can make adjustments based on your comments, and to optimize the design proposal, make sure the final outcome meets your expectations.
Yeah, actually, I also view your PowerPoint already. Can you show the presentation? Maybe I have to ask something about the PowerPoint.
Yes.
For the entrance, I'm not sure that there are many spaces in front of the counter. So what we have to put all this location for? They just space in front of the cashier of the counter, right? Have more things one day. Maybe we can move into the front a little bit. Yes. And how about the shoes wearing space? Is that including into the quotation or not?
Included the quotation. Oh, let me give us. So you want to talk about the quotation now, or we talk quotation later?
Maybe later.
Okay. So let's talk the design proposal first.
Okay. And for our maybe you can like put more information about it. So like for example, like on the left side is the temporalized zone, right? Maybe you can put like the real pictures on that zone as well.
Oh,
Like,
the real picture.
Like for this one, it is only for 3D layout, right? And maybe you can put like on the left side, it can be like the real picture and the name like behind of the picture as well. Because
Yes.
it's easier to see like what kind of equipment that we have right now. So because now it's like a lot of equipment. Like sometimes I also don't know what kind of equipment that we have right now. So maybe you can put like the real picture and also the name like beside the picture as well, and the layout on the right side.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's okay. I will put the real picture into my design proposal presentation to let you know the real products of the design proposal we have created.
Like for example, the sand pool, right, that you mentioned is on the right side, and then maybe you can take a real pictures of the sand pool, like, and put the name, and also like show me like which area that the sand pool is located.
Yeah, of course, I will.
So I can see like the real picture and also like compared to the layout, so it's still easier to see the kids.
Yeah. Okay. So I will optimize my presentation and add the real picture and also add remark on the presentation so that you can have a better understanding of what we have designed.
Of the equipment as well.
Yes. Hello, Chi. Can you hear me? Yeah, there's many echoes and I cannot hear you clearly. I'm not sure if you can hear me.
Yes, I can hear you. How about my voice? About the the pay zone, the payroll zone, like the police station and the farm and that kind of the area. You can the real picture and also the name, what kind of the station that you have that you will provide.
Yes, of course. I will add some real product pictures in the design proposal so that you can see what would be this role play house is like. I will put the real picture, product picture into the presentation.
Yes. I think that's all for the PowerPoint. Maybe we can move to the quotation.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So, I'm not sure if you are satisfied with the color
the theme, right?
Yeah, the theme.
It's very.
Do you want to do some improvement on the theming and the color, or you just feel the current design proposal, the color is okay, it's kind of acceptable?
Yeah, I think the color is good. It's good, but I'm just curious about the entrance because we have more space on the entrance, right?
Oh yeah, entrance.
Okay.
So after I send you the updated presentation, you can give me a detailed feedback or comments about the design proposal. Yeah, initial design proposal, and then we make adjustment, optimize the details based on your comments. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let's move to the quotation. I have provided you a quotation based on our initial design proposal, and for the based on the initial design proposal, the indoor playground equipment, the equipment would be what you see inside of the design proposal is what we will provide. And for the for the elements we are not provided. I have remark in the quotation for you to better understand what I'm referring here. Yeah, for the equipment, all the equipment is shown in our design. The trampolines, the structure frame, the lighting, the flooring, all the sandpit sand, the ocean ball balls, all the lightings, all these elements will be included in the design, except for the reception area and the entrance turnstile, because this kind of equipment is not provided by our factory, and I'm not sure what kind of system you will use. So we just do not include this price into our design. And for the reception area, it's better to find an interior contractor to set up this, because this we can because this the outcome will be better if you use interior finish direction company to provide this part, the reception area to you. And we can provide the design. The drawings for you if you like our design. If you confirm that all the design in the design you provided is fine, we like it, so we provide the design for you, and you can find a local contractor to set up this. Because we are equipment manufacturer, we cannot make this this part a very the outcome the outcome for a professional interior company and for equipment manufacturer, it's totally different. So we want the outcome would be the best. So we suggest you to use an interior company to finish this part, and this part are not included in our design, in our quotation. And also the ceiling and the lighting. For the ceiling and the lighting showing our design. You see, we have also create some concept for the ceiling. But for the ceiling, this is a kind of construction work, interior decoration work. So as a equipment manufacturer, we cannot make this kind of we cannot do this work very well. So we suggest that we can provide you the design if you like our design. We can provide the design drawings, and you can find a local contractor to make the ceiling. And we provide all the equipment for you. So the ceiling the ceiling parts, the lighting, the ceiling decoration are not included in our design in our quotation. But the installation fees are included in our design. The installation fees included in this quotation is based on the initial design proposal we have created, and the installation fee we quoted here is for the labor cost for our technicians to complete the overall installation work from the very beginning setup to the completion of the installation of this project. This installation cost. But the installation cost here we quoted does not include the air tickets, air flight tickets, and accommodation. For the hotel, always need to customer to book the accommodation for our technicians, and also the local transportation and the necessary tools. For the shipment, some of the tools cannot be shipped so this kind of tools need to be offered by customer. But don't worry, I will provide you a necessary tools list used for installation work, and you can find some tools locally. For these tools, you can use in this project. After the installation finish, you can put these tools in your storage, and use these tools for next project or for some maintenance during your operation. So that's all for the quotation of I provided based on the initial design proposal. I'm not sure if you still have any questions. You can ask me, and I will provide clarification.
The one that you mentioned in quotations that you will include pay equipment. It's mean like the kitchen equipment, right? And also two cabinets. It's also included in the quotations. And flooring, not sure which part that you mentioned. Flooring.
Flooring. Oh, you mean the flooring, right? Flooring inside of this this project. You see the flooring here. All the flooring inside of this design are provided by us. The flooring. This for this flooring, you see we have patterns on it. So this flooring we call the PVC vinyl flooring with digital print. We provide the flooring for interior area.
So what kind of material of flooring is like a mat?
No. Underneath the PVC vinyl flooring with digital print, we still have EVA flooring mat. The EVA flooring mat we are using such kind of this. This is a EVA floor mat. We use the EVA floor mat inside of the soft play maze, and the ball area, sandpit area. We will use the EVA floor mat only. But for our other open area, for this area with the patterns, on the surface. For this area, underneath the pattern, we have two level flooring. On the surface level, we use the PVC vinyl flooring with digital pattern. Do you see this kind of flooring? But underneath this PVC flooring, we have EVA flooring mat. So the open space we have two level. Underneath level is the EVA flooring mat, and the top level we use PVC vinyl flooring to create attractive image on the surface. All the flooring inside show in this design we will provide.
Okay, so it's gonna be 2 layers of flooring, as you mentioned, 2 layers. So currently at the site we have nothing. It's like a cement right now. So do you think that we should finish the floor before your equipment arrives?
I will send you a list for the site condition, which you need to be prepared for the site. For the flooring of the site, you just let it in some level. With the site need to be leveled, and you use the concrete flooring. Original concrete floor with some level, which would be enough for us to proceed with the installation work. We will put the EVA flooring mat on top of the original concrete floor directly. Not need you to put any other tiles or bricks on the floor. No need, and you just leave us level the concrete original flooring to us. Yeah, we will set up our equipment on top of the concrete original flooring, and then after we set up all the equipment, we will put the EVA flooring mat, the PVC vinyl flooring on side of the on the top of the flooring.
So that's mean that we don't need to do anything about the flooring. Just
Yes,
keep it like
yes, yes. Just keep it as is. I will send you a list. Since this is your first time to do the indoor playground business, I will send you a detailed list of the site condition which need custom to be prepared. Okay, so that you can better understanding about what kind of condition needed for us to set up the equipment.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let's move to the thing that you're not including is like you want to include the turnstile and ceiling.
Yeah.
So lighting is not included in the quotation. Is that correct? Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, the lighting. Let me explain something. The lighting for our equipment, such kind of the lighting around the lighting tube, but we will provide this kind of lighting. The lighting we should do not include it in our quotation is the lighting on the ceiling. On the ceiling, because you need to find a interior decoration finish contractor to do the ceiling, yeah, to do the ceiling construction. And that time you can decide what kind of lighting you will be used on this playground. So our quotation do not include the lighting, but we do include the lighting inside of the maze, soft play maze. You see, yeah, in the soft play maze, inside of the soft play maze, we will have lighting. We will have lighting inside.
So
but the lighting shown in our design in the ceiling we do not include.
The lighting and the ceiling should be finished before your equipment installation.
Yes.
Finish before.
Yeah, to help you have a better understanding of what kind of condition need to be prepared before the equipment set up. I will also show you some ongoing installation projects so that you can see what kind of condition would be prepared. Yeah, you need to finish the first. You need to finish all the interior construction, such as ceiling, such as walls, lighting. When you finish all these things, we will assign our technician to do the installation work, because this would be the first. First the site need to be prepared with ceiling, with flooring, with walls, and then the equipment can be get inside of the site to do the installation work. But don't worry, I will show you more details so that you can get prepared.
Okay.
That would be a not major problem.
Because actually we also have our interior and design team, but I need to know like information to let them know later, because I'm going to have a meeting with them like about our design, everything about it. So I need to collect the information for this one and then talk to them later.
Yes. I will provide you more details about the site conditions. And to tell you why the lighting and the ceiling need to be prepared first before the equipment get inside of the site, so that you can report to your management.
Yes. And about the installation cost that you mentioned, you mentioned like $25,800, right?
Yes.
So maybe can you explain more about this? The cost is that how many people? How many people that you? How many?
For this kind of projects, our engineering department, they will check the design proposal first and give us the total working hours needed for this interior project. And then our finance department, they will calculate the price based on the total working hour needed for this project, and they give me a quotation. For this quotation, the financial department just based on total working hours. But uh, uh, if you want to know the exact technicians and exact date, we need to talk to you first. And if you want us to finish the project as soon as possible and as quicker as possible, we can assign more technicians to go to the site. If let me give you an example. For this project, if based on the total working hours, we need to assign 5 technicians to the project site and let them to finish the interior installation within 1 month. This is the total installation cost. And if you want us to finish the installation work faster, and we can assign 7 technicians to go to the project site to finish the project installation within 20 days. Yeah, it's okay. This is the total installation cost would be remain the same, but the working hours and the technicians, the numbers of technicians will be different, totally based on the requirement of custom. Yeah, for your project, we just calculated the price based on a total working hour. This but this depends. If you want, yeah, just like I mentioned, if you want to finish the project faster, we can even send 8 technicians to go to the site to finish the project.
For my project, so how many technicians do you think that we need for our project? You mentioned about the timeline. It will take like 5 weeks, right? So how many technicians do we need for our project?
For your project, I think 5 to 6. Yeah, 5 to 6 technicians would be enough. Yeah.
For the duration is about 5 weeks, right?
Yeah, I think 5 to 6 technicians, and for the duration, I think maybe one month would be enough for the technicians to finish the interior installation work.
Is that the estimate installation cost, or is that any way that we can like discount?
The installation cost I quoted is for the labor cost of the technicians, and also included the meal. You do not provide them any food for them, and they will buy food themselves.
So this cost is including like the flight and the hotel and food already, right? 25,800.
Yes. Let me clarify something. We do not make any profit for the installation cost. The installation cost is paid directly from the engineering department to the technicians who assigned to the project site for installation work. So they quote the installation cost to us, and we provide to customer. When the customer pays the installation cost to us, this cost would directly paid for the technicians. Yeah, we do not make any profit for the installations fees.
Maybe can you add more information on the number 5, remark number 5 that you mentioned about the installation cost, right? You mentioned that roughly prepared to get accommodation, local transportation, and necessary to install are offered by the customer. Maybe you can add like how many technicians that we are going to use, and also how many hours or how long for the timeline that we're going to use.
Oh, yeah. You want more details about the installation, the technicians and the time. And yeah, I will update the quotation, and I will add more details about the installation work, about, such as the technicians needed, the time needed for finish the interior project installation. I will add more remark on the installation cost. So don't worry. After the meeting, I will show you an updated quotation, which will be remarked more detail with more details.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
About the indoor playground equipment, not sure that is this the fixed price or is there any discount on that?
Sorry?
The one that you mentioned is the number one indoor.
Yeah, indoor playground equipment. The indoor playground equipment we quoted is what you see what you see in this design is what we will provide it. What you see in the design proposal will be what finally come out for the finished project. Also, that's what we will provide. We will provide all the frames, steel frames, the equipment, the flooring, the balls, the sand, and also we will provide some spare materials for you to use during your operation.
Yes. You mentioned in the quotations like $140,000 right? Is there any discount for us?
Sorry?
Is there any discount for the price?
I need this. To be honest, when I first get the quotation from our financial department, I already asked my management to check and give me some special discount because our company values the relationship with your company very much, and our management already give some special discount to for this project. But if you want to ask more discount, I will check with my management and give you the best price we can provide. Okay?
Yes.
Can you give me a target? Do you have any target price? You will have some target price in your mind. If possible, you just let me know what kind of price you want in your mind, and I can ask my management to check if we can meet your target. But rest assured, we will try our best to meet your target, and in the same time do not compromise to the design effect.
Yes. Maybe you can ask your your management team first, like if you can give us a special price or discount on this, and maybe let me know later. About like the payment term is like 50% before productions and 50% before shipping, right?
Yes. Do you have any special requirement for the payment terms? Generally for all of our custom, we previously need the customer to pay about 50% of the deposit before production, and for the remaining payment they paid before the loading. And if you have any special requirement for the payment terms, I can understand, and I will ask our management to decide. So you have different requirement for the payment terms?
Can it be like 30% before productions and maybe 70% before shipping?
I think it would be okay, but let me talk to our management department first, okay? Because this is a special case, and I need to ask their approval. And as per my mind, I totally agree. because we sincerely want to establish a relationship with you, and we can cooperate with the first project to show you our expertise, show you our quality, show you our best services, and you can see. For your requirement for the payment terms, about 30% before production, 70% before loading. I personally agree, but I need to confirm with my management. Okay, I will persuade them to accept this payment terms.
And about the Incoterm that you mentioned here is X work, right?
Yeah, X works. X works. Last week I have talked to some of my our local shipping agent, and I have some findings. And the shipping agent I just talked about, they said currently is no direct shipping routes. The cargo need to be transferred to Thailand, and you need to do a customer clearance here, and then they will ship to your country, and there will be need another customer clearance. And I have also asked the shipping agent to provide us with estimated shipping cost based on the such kind of shipping line, and the price they provided is divided into two sections. The one section is $1,100 per 40 IQ. This is for the first shipment line. For another section, the cost per container is about 1,550 US dollars per containers. So the total cost for the total estimated shipping cost for your project would be 13,250 based on DDU terms. But this is just a reference for reference shipping estimate for your but the real shipping cost will be checked when the goods are ready to ship, and in that time, and we'll check with the shipping agent again to get the exact cost. Currently, the cost I provided here is just for your reference. I'm not sure if you have your own shipping agent or forwarder. Maybe we can contact with your forwarder or shipping agent when the goods is ready to ship.
But normally, I mean, like your factory or your warehouse is located in Shanghai, right? So
our factory located in Suzhou City, which is near to Shanghai port.
So which is better, like go to the Thailand and from Thailand to Laos, or from the China mainland directly to Laos? Which way that is faster?
Currently, as I checked with the shipping agent, they told me since there's no direct shipping line, so the best shipping way would be ship the goods to Thailand first, and then there is the customer clearance, and then they ship to your country.
Because normally that I know that normally if there is equipment from China, they can directly shipping to Laos by land.
Yes. Also, I'm not sure if you are accept transportation. I mean, for the truck transportation, because for the sea transportation, which we need to first ship the goods to Thailand and then ship to your country. But I'm not sure if the truck transportation is acceptable, because the truck transportation will be faster and which can be maybe can be shipped directly to your country, but the cost maybe would be higher than the sea transportation.
So how many days does it take to ship your equipment from Shanghai to your factory to Thailand and from Thailand to Laos?
Because we are doing X work terms, and when the goods are ready, we will contact with you, with our customer, to confirm the shipping terms. If a customer paid us the shipping cost, and we will find a shipping agent to ship the goods directly to their site or to the port. They have just the destination port. That's all totally depends on the customer requirement. We can do ESW works. We can do X works terms, and the customer assign their forward or shipping agent to arrange loading in our factory and then transport by sea or by train or by truck. Our factory will arrange the loading, and the rest of the work will be the forwarder customs forwarders work. But if you need us to handle the shipment, then it would be not a problem for us, and we will find a reliable shipping agent, and we will quote the shipping cost to you, and you pay the shipping cost to us, and then we ship all the equipment to your site. Yeah, you can have an overall check and decide on what you want us to provide the shipping services, and then we will arrange the shipment according to your requirement.
Because as I know that our company, we have like they have a relationship like with the shipping company in Thailand, like from Ratchabang port to Vientiane, Laos. Maybe from your side, maybe you can help like to handle like the shipping from Shanghai to Thailand, and for the rest from Thailand to Laos, we can handle it. What do you think about this?
Yes, no, there's no problem for us. We will meet your requirement.
So what kind of impact it's gonna be if you handle the shipping parts from Shanghai to Thailand, and the half from Thailand you will handle it? So what kind of, so it's gonna be FOB? No, it's gonna be
no. If FOB, then we send the if FOB Shanghai terms, we just send the loaded container to the port, Shanghai port. Then but I'm not sure what kind of terms will be used for such kind of shipment.
But you understand what I mean, right? Like from Shanghai to Thailand, it's
obviously complicated, but that not be a major problem for us, because we cooperate with several shipping agents, forwarders, and they may much professional than us, and I will let them know, and we will provide the suitable services for the shipment. You just let me know what places you want us to ship the goods, and we will coordinate everything.
Yeah, as you mentioned about the location in Thailand, Ratchabang port, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. I think that port is also fine to load the container. What is the OTHQ that you mentioned? Like 1,100 $1 per 40.
Yes. 140 HQ container. This is a reference price I have get it from one of the shipping agent, one of the forwarder. I need to check more. I need to check more forwarders or shipping agent to get a better price. Due to the because last week I just have too many things to, so I just asked the one forwarders to provide the price, and they provide such kind of price for me, and I send it for your reference first. But for the real price, exact price, I will check with more forwarders or more shipping agent to let you know the exact price will be.
So maybe 40 HQ is mean like one container.
Yeah, one container. Yeah, 140 high Q container. One container.
So about our equipment, typical equipment in our project.
For the interior of your equipment, the containers needed would be approximately 540 high Q container needed.
So the estimate shipping cost now is $13,250.
Yes. This is based on the DDU terms. That means we ship the equipment directly to your site, but the custom taxes are not included.
DDU is like the terms that the equipment from Shanghai to Rashabang to Vientiane.
Yeah. First ship the goods to Lam Chabang, and then from here we ship to Laos. To your site directly. That's just a reference. That's a reference shipping cost for your for your reference first.
Maybe can you put the estimate shipping cost in the quotation as well?
Yes, of course. Yes, I will put the shipping cost into the quotation sheet. Yes.
You make it like in two quotation. First one is for the DDU Incoterms, and the second one when we talk that from Shanghai to Thailand, you will handle the shipping, and from Thailand to Laos, we will handle the shipping.
Okay. I understand. I will provide you two options for the shipping cost. One is from our factory to your site directly based on DDU terms, and another, I'm not sure what terms will be, but I understand. We ship the equipment to Thailand, and then you will handle the shipment from Thailand to Laos, right?
Yes. Sorry, where is your factory?
Our factory, right? Our factory located in Jiangsu province, Suzhou city, very near to our Shanghai office.
Nearby Shanghai.
Yeah, nearby Shanghai.
Maybe can you send me the name of the province?
Okay. I will send you the exact address of our factory.
Okay. I think that's all from our side. My battery is going to die now. 5%. I think all good for us for the second meeting today.
Thank you. And as for our communication, and I will update the presentation first, and I will include the real product picture inside of the design. to you to get a better understanding of what you will have for this design proposal. And this first thing. The second thing, I will provide you the clear list of the site condition before before equipment entering. That's the second thing I will provide you. And the last thing I will provide you the updated quotation. In the updated quotation, I will provide you I will add some remarks for the installation work, which include the exact numbers of the technicians required and also the exact duration, the lead time for the installation work. And also I will include the two options of the shipping cost. One is one is from our factory to Laos directly based on DDU terms, and another option will be we ship the equipment to Thailand and for Thailand based on, I'm not sure what the terms will be. But I will ask the shipping agent and ask our forwarder to give me some guidance, and also give me some reference price, and I will let you know.
Okay.
Do you want to know more about the design proposal, the quotation? What if you need anything, any information from me, just let me know, and I will provide the classification. Hello?